Hey everybody, this is me, Quintin Marcell, and we are right back at it with another video. Today is actually a collab, another collab with Beautybybb _ on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. We wanted to do this Sphynx moment. Little hairless cat, snatched back, dragged out. I wanted to go like very extra. This is Aged by Aquaria, inspired because I didn't really know how to do a Sphynx cat look. I don't really do like animal, but I like how it turned out. I didn't want to add like the wrinkles and stuff because I actually liked it just like this. If you want to see how I get this look, keep watching. And this is the final look. Nice and felined out. We're giving Sphynx Egyptian vibes, you know, slight Egyptian vibes. You know, with the blue and gold. I've never really done like a cat kind of makeup before, so I'm not mad at it. I feel like it's missing some things, but I'm gonna leave it here. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a hearty thumbs up, comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.